Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a gingerbread man ready for the winter. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start in the center of the paper. We're gonna start with the eyes. So I'm doing two ovals, they are little. Now let's leave a space in the middle and we're gonna do the other one. Okay, the next step is gonna be the face all around the eyes. And I'm gonna start going like really slow around. This one is kind of like a circle, but we're not gonna close this circle on the bottom. So we stop right here. Now, to close it, I'm gonna do curved lines, but first I'm gonna put here on the middle, over here, a little circle. And now I wanna come from this corner to here, doing a curved line that goes down. And let's do the same thing in the other side. Okay, now here I'm gonna put a little smile for the gingerbread, and now we're gonna go up here. So I'm gonna put my finger and I wanna mark the spot with a little dot, put my finger and grab the spot, or you can also put your finger and then put the dot in there, okay? So we're gonna go around the face with another curved line or another circle, and we're gonna stop in the dot that we mark in the other side, just like that. Okay, now let's continue with the eyebrows. I want to finish the face here. So the eyebrows are squares or rectangle shapes. They are very have very round corners, and it looks like this. And now let's continue here with the sleeves. So the first thing I want to do here is a curved line. And then let's do two more just like that one. See, we did three. Now we're gonna go down with a line here, and it's just a short line that stops right there. And let's do three more curves in the bottom. Just 1, 2, and 3. And the next thing is gonna be here. Let's do the hand sticking out of the sleeve, just half a circle. Let's repeat the steps on the other side. Let's do 3 curves. And now the line that goes down, and we're gonna try to leave it at the same height that we did the other one, kind of like the same. And now let's do 1, 2, and 3. The last step here is gonna be the hand, half a circle. There. Okay, let's go back to the left side, and we're gonna repeat these 3 curves, but now we're gonna go down. So 3 curves, and in the other side we're gonna do also 3. There. Now let's join these two. Let's close this part with a curved line, just like this, and that's gonna be the jacket. Okay, now let's do the zipper here in the middle. I'm gonna do 2 lines that go down. So I'm gonna go here, and the lines are very close together, and inside we're gonna start putting little lines that go down, just like that. And here at the end we're gonna put a circle and then a triangle for the zipper. And you know what I think I want to do here, let's continue this line. Let's go down till the end and put one more line little here. Okay, now let's join these two. I'm gonna go from this curve to this one on the bottom. We're gonna join these 3. Let's do the same thing on the right side, just like that. And now let's start doing lines also on the hoodie of the jacket. So those are gonna be curved down, or curving up actually. You see how the curve will go up? I'm gonna continue doing these, and I'm gonna fast forward this part, but remember that you can stop the video anytime just to catch up with what we're doing, okay? So it's gonna look like that. Okay, now in the middle here in the chest I'm gonna do lines also, but these lines are not gonna touch anything. So we're gonna go here, and they are not touching the sleeves or the zipper, they're just going down. Okay, now let's continue with the legs. We're gonna go down and down in the other side, and this line I'm just gonna do one single line. So I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna go back down, curving, and I want to join here. There. Okay, now I'm doing decorations on the legs, and these decorations to me, they look like letter M. So I'm gonna do one more, another letter M, and then we're gonna repeat that on the bottom, doing another letter M, just like this. And there, that's it, we've finished. And now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.